Today we are going to study idioms and phrases. Now, what are idioms? Idioms are those which have a different figurative meaning and a different literal meaning. For example, if I say, it's raining cats and dogs outside, this idiom doesn't mean that actually cats and dogs are coming with rain. It basically means it is raining heavily outside. Okay, so today we are going to get an idea about some of the commonly used idioms and their meanings along with the usage in a sentence. Okay, let's start. Your first idiom is apple of discord. Now, meaning of this idiom is meaning of this idiom is root cause of fight. A main reason behind dispute or a main reason behind a fight. Okay, let's make a sentence out of it. This wealth of father, this wealth of father becomes apple of discord between two brothers. Say like there is an old man who is on the verge of dying, and he has a huge property. Um, Before signing the will, he dies. Now what happens is that property, it becomes a matter of fight between both the brothers. So apple of discord means root cause of fight. Now let's move on to the next idiom. Your next idiom is once in a blue moon. I hope like this one is very common. So I hope you people know the meaning of this. Once in a blue moon. Now, what is the meaning of this idiom? It means rarely. Let's make a sentence. As I live abroad, I get to see my parents once in a blue moon. Like you have a friend who is living in abroad, and all of a sudden if you come across him, then what will you say? It's like once in a blue moon that we met. Very rarely you met him. Now let's do the next one. White elephant. Now this doesn't mean an elephant with a black with white color. It simply means something that is useless and expensive. Now, like suppose you have a watch of that is gifted to you by your grandfather. This watch is now like this watch has become very old, and since it is gifted to you by your grandfather, you want to keep it, but maybe that watch is not working properly, and you are very often spending money on that watch. So it's like white elephant. It is very expensive it is very precious as it is gifted to you by your grandfather, but now it has become useless because that watch is very old. So that is the meaning of white elephant. Okay, let's make a sentence of it. Rahul has Rahul has a very old Rahul has a very old car. It's like a white elephant. It's like a white elephant for it as it demands regular services. Okay, I hope it's clear. Let's move on to the next one. Your next one is blow one's own trumpet. This idiom basically is used for a person who always praises himself. Its meaning is sing one's own praise. Suppose you have a friend who is in a habit of praising himself again and again, so you get sick of him, you get irritated. So that kind of person is said to be like is said to blow one's own trumpet. Okay, let's make a sentence of it. I hate John as he always blow his own trumpet. Now next your idiom is smell a rat. Smell a rat, that it doesn't mean smelling a rat. It just means to smell something suspicious. To smell something suspicious. Like you have a friend or you like there is a boy studying in your class, and all of a sudden if he says you are my best friend, and on the other hand you both fight with each other daily. So if one day he says like this, you'll automatically think that you'll automatically have a feeling of smelling a rat, or to have some like to smell something suspicious, uh, because he may want to uh, he may want you to do some work of his. So that's to smell a rat. Okay, now let's make a sentence. I started to smell a rat when he said I was his best friend. Okay, now your next idiom is rains, cat and dogs. Now, its meaning is raining heavily. Sentence is Ram's mother forbade him to go out as it was raining cats and dogs outside, which means it was raining heavily outside. Okay, let's do the another one. Okay, next is a snake in the grass. Now, um if there is a snake in the grass, that it is very difficult to find out. So, a snake in the grass means a hidden enemy or unrecognized danger. Okay, let's make a sentence. It's disgusting to see your friend as, suppose you have a very good friend of yours, and one day you both have a, one day you both have an argument, and from that day your friend decided that he is not going to talk to you. So from that day, um, he has some inner like issues with you, and from that day he has become a snake in the grass for you. He has become an unrecognized danger for you. Next is to see eye. This idiom means to agree. Sentence is, will Rahul and his brother ever see eye to eye on their parents' will. Okay, ninth one. Sweat on one's brow. Okay. Now you can understand this as if you do overexertion or if you do hard work, you have sweat on your brows. So sweat on one's brow basically means to do hard work. Okay, let's make a sentence. The only way he will succeed is by the sweat of his brow. Okay, the 10th one. Uh, um, your next idiom is to fight tooth and nail. Its meaning is to make all efforts to win. You are trying very hard to get something, you are trying very hard to achieve your goal. So that means to fight tooth and nail. Okay, let's try to make a sentence. We fought tooth and nail to may we fought tooth and nail to help our team come first in the tournament. We fought tooth and nail to help our team come first in the tournament. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.